Hi guys, welcome to Linux our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your Linux trainer. So what's new in this video? In this video I will tell you how to work with Ansible Jinja2 templates in playbook. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is Jinja2 template and its use cases. So for the demonstration purpose, I have a lab scenario for you. Please look at that. Guys, this is my Jinja2 template lab setup environment. So the first question coming in our mind is, what is template? Template is a file which contains all your configuration parameters, but in this file dynamic values are given as variable format. During the playbook execution, depending on the conditions, the variable will be replaced with the relevant values using Ansible variables and facts. So the variable in a template file will be denoted by the double curly braces, like this way, double curly braces and the variables. Okay, now second point is, what is Jinja2? So guys, Jinja2 is a modern and designer friendly templating language for the Python developers. Ansible uses the Jinja2 templating system for the template files. So the point is that how to work with Jinja2 templating. So here for the lab session I have a two trusted virtual machine. First machine acting as a control node, this one, and another machine acting as a manage host. So in my first machine, having the hostname server1.pool.org, having the IP address 10.0.0.1, and the running Linux OS is RHEL 8.0 with running Ansible version is 2.9.1. On the other hand, my second machine acting as a manage host, I am talking about this machine with the hostname client1.pool.org, having the IP address 10.0.0.2, and the running Linux OS is RHEL 8.0. So what I'm going to do on control node here, I'm talking about this one. On control node, I'll make few playbooks which showing Ansible Jinja2 templating environment, and then I'm going to deploy this playbook on the manage host. Okay, so how to work with the Ansible Jinja2 template? For this, let's begin the lab session. So I'm on the control node here. Firstly, I will show you the host name and the Red Hat release version and the Ansible version. So for this, I run the command hostname. Guys, this is server1.pool.org. This is my control node, and currently I'm using Red Hat release version 8.0, and my Ansible version is -- version, that is, it shows, sorry, Ansible version, that is 2.9.1. okay, so for being time saving purpose, I have already created a playbook named template.yaml where I have mentioned some tasks with Ansible template module. Otherwise video will be very long, so I'll show you. So I log in with user, go to the location, and this is my template.yaml file. Look at that. So let's understand the playbook. Here I have mentioned a play name play1, this one. I wanna deploy this playbook on all managed hosts, so that's why I mentioned host is equal to all sec. Okay, then I mentioned where section. This is my where section for defining variables in the playbook. Here my underscore where, I'm talking about this, my underscore where is a variable name having the value ansible@admit.com. okay, it's a dynamically and can be changed accordingly to the Ansible project. Then after, in the task section, I mentioned the task name. So in my task name is configuring Jinja2 template. So for this purpose I use template module. So here I mentioned my template module. In this module, src key, this one, source key, this key define Jinja2 template file location. So for this I have already created a Jinja2 template file named motd.j2 file, okay, in the same working directory. So later I will show you the content of this file. Next value, this one, that is dst, that means destination. So next value associate with the destination key which specifies the file to be created on the destination host. So in my case, the destination file will be /etc/motd on all managed host. Okay, so I simply save and quit from there, and now I will show you the motd.j2 file content. So in the same working directory I have created motd.j2 template file. So this is my current location, and here my motd.j2 file which is I have already created. Okay, so guys, one thing we have to understand that a file containing A Jinja2 template does not need to have any specified file extension. For example, .j2. Here I mentioned .j2. Okay. So however, providing such a file extension make it easier for you to remember that it is a template file. Otherwise, it is not necessary. Okay. So I open my mod2d.j2 file. Let's understand its content. So I open it. Guys, in the first line, I use Ansible_managed. This one. Ansible_managed string. So with double curly braces. So the point is why I used it and from where it grabs its value. So guys, to avoid system administrators modified file developed by the Ansible, it is a good practice to include a comment at the top of the template to indicate that the file should not be manually added. So for this purpose I used Ansible_manage strings. Okay, it is not a normal variable but can be used as one in a template, and the value of this string is set in the Ansible.configuration file. So I'll show you. This is my Ansible.cfg file, and look at that. Here I have mentioned Ansible_managed with the value managed by Ansible admin. Could be anything. In my case I use this value. Okay, so I save and quit, and one more time I open my mod2d.j2 file. Okay, now in the second line, after printing some message value, I want to just print this message. So I just mention, hi, presently you are logging in, something like that. I use Ansible_fqdn. This is Ansible_fqdn facts value, which I gather from the Ansible setup command. So I'll show you. So I run the command Ansible-m setup all. Over there I use grep and Ansible fqdn. So for gathering facts from manage host, I run this command and filter at the output. So from here I copy Ansible_fqdn. Look at that. This is Ansible_fqdn output client1.pool.org. I simply copy it and paste into mod2d.j2 file. Here I have already pasted. Okay. Similarly, in the third line, after printing some message value, for more query and information please drop the mail, I use my_var variable again in the double curly braces, which value is set in my template.yml file. Remember? So now I save and quit from there. So I want to just open both files. Here is my mod2d.j2 file, and here is my template.yml file. Okay. Now my playbook is ready to run, but before run the playbook, do not forget to check the syntax error first. So I run the command Ansible playbook -- syntax check and template.yml. Looks good, no error. Now run the playbook. So Ansible playbook and template.yml file. It shows my play name, play1, gathering some facts from the manage host, and okay, so it shows me change output without giving an error. So time to check Jinja2 templating working or not. So from control node I SSH to my manage host. Look at that, what happened. So I say SSH root @10.0.0.2 my manage host machine. Simply I press the password. Got it. So I got the message, hi, presently you are logging in client1.pool.org. Here is it. So this is my manage host fqdn name, and the other line I got the message, for more query and information please drop the mail to ansible@admin.com. This is my variable value which I have mentioned in my playbook. Okay, if I open /etc motd file on the manage host, on the first one my Ansible_manage string showing its value, this one, remember this value is mentioned in Ansible.cfg file. So this file is configured on the control node side. So by this way we can make more Jinja2 template and manage our Ansible project according to the environment. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Finally, this is the end of this topic. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please leave your comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Guys, one more thing, if you are interested in real 8 online classes for RSCSA and RSC section, please contact us through given links which is mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.